Would you like to plot some graphs directly from the command line? Gnuplot has you covered. Okay, let's have a look. Gnuplot is a program that is existing already since quite a lot of years, and it allows to do some really nice plots directly from the command line. Before we look at the demos, let's have a look here at some example. I created already some data.txt, so with some comments and some x value, y value. And I'm just going to run Gnuplot. Here I'm just going to say plot data.txt using column 1 and column 2. How easy is this? But this is a little bit difficult to see because there is a point here, there is probably another one here. They are really, it's difficult to see where they are. So let's say with lines. Okay, now it's much easier. We can see the line here. And line width, let's say 4, so it becomes like this. We can also say, for example, title, my data. Okay, then it gets here the data, and so on and so forth. So here we could turn on the grid, and we can do really nice things with this plot. Okay, so let's have a look at the types of plots that we can have. Here we have a gallery of demos, and you can see that Gnuplot is really powerful. So let's try here a simple one. Okay, so this one here, let's get this script. So select here, copy. So let's have a look here, test.gnu. We copy the values here and gnuplot-p, let's say, and test.gnu. And lo and behold, here is a really nice graph as shown on the website. Let's try another one. Here, for example, some parabola, some other curves, etc. Okay. Let's try variable size points. Okay, so here it's probably requires some data files which I don't have. So let's see here a contours plot. Okay, this looks more like it. So this one here is looks okay. Copy here. Test2.gnu, let's paste this, and gnuplot-p on test2. And here is the plot. Really, really nice. You can do quite a lot of things with Gnuplot. So those things you have here, you can do vector fields. For example, here you can do just very 3D plots, etc. It is really nice and has a really nice documentation that will allow you to know how to script, and very quickly you will be generating plots. You can have functions that you define yourself. For example, here, where did I see this? This was, okay, let's go for the test2. So we have here some functions. So x squared minus y squared. It's a possible line. Or you can plot things from data. So not only you can plot those functions, but if you have any kind of data in a simple text file, as I've just shown here in the data.txt. So let's see, data.txt. You can just use Gnuplot to do the plotting very easily. Not only this, but you can also export the results to PDF. You can export them to a JPEG or PNG. And use this for your reports or for whatever you might want to use for. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have some thoughts, some comments, please leave them down below. Otherwise, see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.